is he?
Who?
Our son. My brother.
You saw him just last month at the wedding reception. Gordon, your family is here to see you.
Mom, Dad, Sis, you're going to ruin it for me.
Marrying a sorceress is marrying way, way out of my league. Sis, I'm sorry I missed your party.
I knew it. Her ways are not our ways. She made you stay home and observe some kind of dark holiday ritual.
Gordon's mother uses her apron to wipe her eyes. I heard dark ritual. Does your family have questions for me?
I'll field the questions. My family barged in here because they think I'm a child and that you're keeping me from them.
Gordon is a breath of fresh air to me. My previous husbands were warlocks, and I chose him because he has peaceful stories of the hearth. Mostly stories about golfing with Mom and crocheting with Dad and Sis, instead of cultivating dark allegiances and extracting blood oaths. I wanted in-law time, and I'd like to crochet a goat. Can you teach me?
We are so embarrassed. Ouch, says sister. They come in for a group hug, but the sister touches a pokey spindle and drops senselessly to the floor. Sorceress Dahlia catches her baby niece before she hits the floorboards.